Fashion is an ever-evolving industry that sees constant changes and trends. Designers are always in search of new ways to push the boundaries and create groundbreaking styles. In this fast-paced industry, one tense that captures the essence of continuous movement and development is the present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action that started in the past, has continued up to the present, and may continue into the future. In the world of fashion, this tense is perfectly suited to capture the dynamic and ever-changing nature of trends. For example, a designer may say, "I have been experimenting with new materials for the past few months." This sentence conveys the idea that the designer has been actively engaged in the process of testing new materials, and this experimentation is ongoing. Similarly, a fashion blogger might say, "I have been documenting street-style trends for years." This sentence shows that the blogger has been consistently following and documenting street-style trends over a long period of time. Many fashion icons and influencers use the present perfect continuous tense to describe their journey and growth within the industry. They may say, "I have been collaborating with different brands to showcase my unique style." This sentence indicates that the influencer has been actively working with various brands and continues to do so to showcase their individual style. Fashion designers often use the present perfect continuous tense to describe their creative process. They may say, "I have been exploring new silhouettes and designs for upcoming collections." This statement conveys that the designer is in the process of experimenting with new ideas and will continue to do so in the future. In conclusion, the present perfect continuous tense is a valuable tool in the world of fashion to capture the continuous development and evolution of styles. Designers, influencers, and industry professionals can use this tense to convey the ongoing nature of their work and creativity. By embracing the present perfect continuous tense, the fashion world can stay at the forefront of innovation and creativity.